Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolas Riasco Riasco. I go talking about the waiters and client in the restaurant. Good morning. A table for five, please. Okay. Would you like a drink? Will you look at the menu? Yes, I will. Have beer, please. Can I take your order, please? Yes. For a starter, I'll have chicken salad and mint course steak and chips. Would you like dessert? No, thanks. I have the bill, please. Okay, with pleasure. I'll wait then. Are $5. Thank you very much for your attention. Okay, take care. Bye bye. See you later.